Hi everyone, we are moving on to the next module, that is bar and cocktails. First we'll be studying in detail about bar, then we'll be moving on to cocktails. You have to know what is bar. F&B service department has different outlets and bar is one of the outlets, and we can define like this. Bar is a licensed outlet where you'll be getting alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages along with the light snacks, and you'll be having comfortable seating, lighting, and you may get a draught or a draft beer. Mainly served in pubs, draught or a draft beer. Now we are moving on to the next topic, different types of bar. We have different types of bar. We'll be starting with the first one, cocktail bar. In that bar, normally you'll be getting all kinds of cocktails. Cocktails is a mixed drink, and in that you'll be having spirits and other non-alcoholic mixes. And you have different types of cocktails. It's made out of whiskey, brandy, gin, vodka, tequila, rum, even coffee, champagne, even wine-based cocktails are there. So especially you'll be getting cocktail from that bar, that is called cocktail bar. Next one is dispense bar. Dispense bar is not an outlet. Even customer can't go there. So I can give you an example. Maybe here we have a 5-story building. In that ground floor is your main bar, and maybe your restaurant is in 3rd floor, and your room service in 1st floor. So for all these outlets, you can have or you can take drinks from main bar. So to easily access for other outlets, you need to set a bar in a particular floor, and from there the drinks will be dispensed to other outlets. That is called dispense bar. So a waiter is going for a room service, so he need a beer. So he has to give a BOT there, and a particular person will be in charge. He'll be giving beer, and somebody needs a cocktail, he'll be giving from there. For the fast-moving items, everything will be kept there. So from there, it will be dispensed. That is called dispense bar. Hope that you understood. Next one is discotheque. Discotheque you can find in major cities. So normally the discotheque starts from evening session and ends up in the morning. And then you will be having DJ, live music, drinks, snacks, food items, everything. And that is called discotheque. Next, we are going to lounge bar. You can have all the bars in any parts of the hotel, but a lounge you have to have it in the public area, especially near to the reception. So if any of the guests want to check in and the room is not yet ready, so maybe you can spend time over there. Or maybe somebody wants to have food from restaurant, and maybe the restaurant is busy, no tables are available, so he can spend time over there. Maybe if I'm a guest, I am staying in a hotel and any of my friends wants to meet me, and maybe I can say that you please just wait in lounge, and they can spend time over there. So there they will be getting alcoholic beverages, not the elaborate one, limited items along with the snacks and other items. So that is called lounge. Next, we are moving on to portable bar. Portable means normally we can carry that. So especially for banquet functions, a bar need to be set. So we need to bring the tables, everything, and we will be setting a bar. And the bar needs to have a front bar and a back bar, then under bar and the bar floor, and we need to set everything. So we need to have a bottle display at the back, and all the glass, everything should be at the front. And then under bar we can have our basic means of glass, even our fast moving, everything can be kept. On the floor we need to keep rubber mat or carpet. If any bottle slips from your hand, we can avoid breakage. And once that banquet function finishes, we can dismantle everything and we can take it back. So that is called portable bar. The next one is pub. It is known as a public house in English term, or it's a public utility bar. There you'll be getting mainly draught or a draft beer, and it starts maybe morning to maybe it ends up in the evening. But discotheques start late night and ends up in the morning. There you'll be in the pub, you'll be having especially draught or draft beer. Then you'll be getting other beverages like snacks, live music and everything. The last one is service bar, where you will be getting table services. Few of the bars maybe you have to go to the bar counter and you have to sit at the bar stools and you can ask a drink, and the barman will be serving, and from there you can have drink. But in service bar, you will be seated and the bar waiters, they will be giving the beverage list and they will be taking the order, and all the drinks will be served on the table. That is called service bar. So we have different types of bar. First one is a cocktail bar, second one is dispense, third one is discotheque, fourth one is lounge, fifth one is portable bar, sixth one is pub, and the seventh one is service bar. And I'll give you one tips for you to easily remember for your exams. So you have to keep certain points in your mind. So how do I remember? Cocktail bar, start with C, then dispense, D, then again discotheque, then L, lounge, then portable, pub, PP, the last one is service bar. Hope that you understood. Signing off, your teacher. Bye-bye.